Hi, and welcome to Java Made Easy for You. So, this channel is all about making Java simple and easy. When I was learning Java, I wished someone could have explained it in easier way. That's exactly why I started this channel for you all. This channel is perfect for students, developers, and anyone who wants to start their coding journey with Java. So, you'll learn Java concepts, OOPs, advanced topic, everything step by step. I focus on real world examples, coding in simple steps, and breaking down complex topics into simple versions. I have been through the same struggle while learning Java, and now I want to make your life easier. My goal is to make Java beginner friendly and help you grow as a coder. You'll get short, clear lessons at an easy pace along with practice examples so that you can learn and grow in your career. So let's make Java easy for you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.